very sick. Just try to relax, ma'am. Let me help you. Doctor's orders!
Another shift complete without going insane. I'm really getting the hang of this. What the? Did I forget a patient? Sounds like it's coming from down there. I have a bad feeling about this. Never been in this part of the hospital before. What is all this? What is that? Dr. Harlow? Is that you? Get away from me! This can't be happening!
Here's Harlow!
Dr. Harlow, snap out of it! This isn't you!
Intern? Was I? Oh no. I'm so sorry, intern.
You're one of them! An anomaly! This whole time?
No, I'm not. Please, just let me explain. It all goes back to my first day on the job.
And this here's a fun piece of machinery. Up, down, up. Oops. Well, that's okay. Here at the animal hospital, we don't turn anyone away.
I'm just so excited to get to work here, Doctor. I promise I won't let you down.
I know you won't. Oh, here comes our first patient. What a jokester. Yes, hello, we see you out there.
Sir, something seems seriously wrong with them.
Oh, they're just fooling around. You know how mammals are. No offense. Anyways, good luck today.
He really was a terrible doctor. Total quack.
Yeah, well, at least he didn't eat people.
Point taken. Regardless, I did the very best I could with his limited instruction. I let patient after patient inside and gave them the very best care I could.
Cough syrup.
Of course, you know how this place is, and it got real bad, real fast. Okay, sir, I've got your chart right here and...
Help me!
What? What is happening? This isn't possible. Fire! I'll fix this. Just please hold on. No! I failed you. I'm so sorry.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
Who are you?
Hey, I'm Ron, from accounting. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Ron from accounting. Sorry, you'll have to excuse me, but... What the heck is going on?
What, so the doc didn't give you the rundown?
Huh?
Figures. That is an anomaly. Speaking of, you really shouldn't let the other patients see this thing.
What do I do with it?
Oh, it's easy. Keep it out of sight. The corporation thanks you.
And so, I had a body to deal with. Come on! There. Now, I just have to... Huh? Oh, great. What now? It was at this moment that my life changed forever. I came face to face with the stalker. No! Let me go! something to me, and I was never the same.
Intern, how was your first shift?
I had done something unforgivable, but I knew that I could make it right. I would be the best doctor this hospital had ever seen. Problem was, I wasn't the only one that needed convincing.
Ah, you must be the new doctor. Let me guess. The quack retired early?
Yes, that's right.
Saves me the trouble. I'll send the cleanup crew later. For now, let's you and I have a little chat, shall we? Now, Doc, I'm sure you noticed a lot of strange things going on here tonight. Hold that thought.
That was one of my patients!
No, that was simply corporation property. And now, so are you.
I don't understand.
Oh, yes, you do. You have all the signs. But don't worry. Your dark secret is safe with us, as long as you be a good little dear and do exactly as we say. Oh, and a new intern is starting tomorrow. He's got the oddest name I ever heard of. Still, try to act normal around him.
I had my orders, and from then on, I learned to keep my new urges in check by feeding only on anomalies. So you see, intern, I'm not a monster. I was simply at the wrong place at the wrong time.
You say that you only feed on anomalies, but how do you explain the patient I just saw you eat? They were totally normal.
Really? And did you check the cameras?
Huh?
There. I unlocked the basement camera feed. Take a look.
Okay, but you better be telling the truth.
No, please, stay back!
There, intern. I'll make the bad memories go away. For both our sake.